Hello, welcome back. This will be our last assignment, our last challenge for our pointer section. In this challenge, I want you to understand how dynamic memory allocation works. So you're going to need to malloc a string. It's going to be pretty basic, but it will get you understanding this whole concept of dynamic memory allocation. What are the advantages of dynamic memory allocation? Well, it means that you can allocate enough memory when you need it. You don't have to waste memory, and if you need more memory, you can reallocate. This assignment is just going to have you using malloc. So in this challenge, you're going to write a program that tests your understanding of dynamic memory allocation. I want you to write a program that allows the user to input a text string. So you're going to need to use scanf. You can also use getS. We haven't talked about it a ton, but getS or fgetS on the standard input stream will allow you to read a string that contains spaces. Remember, scanf, it's only going to read the string up to a space. If you use getS, you can read multiple strings separated by spaces. Either way is fine though, scanf or getS, either way. You're going to have the user enter a string. The program's going to print the text that was inputted. And what that may seem very easy, but the difference here is that the program's going to utilize dynamic memory allocation. You can also have the user enter the limit of the string they are entering, and then you can use that for malloc, so you know how many bytes to allocate. You should create a char pointer only, a character pointer, no character arrays. I want you to malloc allocate memory. Remember, when you create the character array, the memory is automatically already allocated for you based on what the size that you put in to the brackets. And again, a big disadvantage of that is now what if you try to enter something larger than what you put in the size? You have to recompile. It's static. That memory gets allocated at compile time. Dynamic memory gets allocated when you're running the program. And so you can determine how much memory you want to allocate based on what the user enters. So again, ask the user to enter a number for the number of bytes you want to allocate for the string. Then ask the user to enter the string in. And you have to correctly allocate memory and then pass that character pointer into scanf, fscanf, or getS. And then basically just display the text that was entered. And then lastly, do not forget about the all-important free function. You always want to release your memory when you're done using it, right? And you want to make sure you do that so that other programs can utilize that memory. Memory is a scarce resource, okay, especially in embedded systems, real-time programs. So don't hog the memory. Release it. Good luck, and I'll provide a solution in the next lecture. Thank you.